Clean and good location, clean and good location. If I go again in Osaka, I want to stay here. Olivia from PH, my favorite hostel so far. Olivia from PH, my favorite hostel so far. Okay, the only -1 is there's no elevator, the rest is good. Best dormitory, very good place, clean, staff are very nice. I really recommend this place. 10/10s. Exceptional. Good location. The female dormitory is painted in light pink. I like it. The bed was clean and comfortable. Though I just spent one night there, will recommend it if you are on budget. Cheap and good. Walkable distance to Dotonbori with 100 yen shop, family marts and many F&B outlets on the way. Bed is really comfortable. There's only one shower room, but I have no issue as I took bath late at night. Able to keep luggage after checkout as well. Had a really great stay there. Nice and clean hostel at a superb location. Things I like about the hostel. The hostel is within walkable distance to Namba main shopping district and Dotonbori. You will pass by lanes of interesting shops along the way. There's even a 100 yen shop nearby. That is not too fantastic, but it's decent and the curtain provides maximum privacy. Small but clean toilet. Again, it depends on your roomies and it's a hostel, so yeah. Only downside is the lack of elevator, so it's kinda troublesome if you happen to be staying at higher levels. Tip to getting there: turn right after exiting Junior Namba Station, walk past a supermarket and use the underground tunnel all the way to exit 31. The hostel is to the left after exiting the underground tunnel. Good, very convenient and close to subway exit. Family Mart is just 30 seconds walk, 100 yen shop also around. Cozy and quiet stay, very good for solo and budget traveler.